Okay, so in this video, I'm gonna share with you guys how to use AI avatars to sell your digital products. Okay, so this is an AI avatar that we've been working on for quite some time now. And you can see here, I'm just gonna play some of these videos so you can see exactly how these AI avatars work and how they can benefit you for selling your digital products, right? Because the biggest thing that I see within my community, right, is people are struggling with marketing their products, right? And for me, it's quite simple. So I'm hoping I can share with you guys, some techniques, some strategies that you can implement right now that's gonna allow you to get these AI avatars up quickly, right? Start making content, start driving traffic to your website, and most importantly, make sales, because that's what we're here for. We're here to make money. So we have to get to the money part. But look, check this out. This is one of the avatars that we have, within our company that we're testing and we're, creating sales with and all that good stuff. And I'm just gonna play a few videos real quick so you can see exactly how it looks, right? And also too, you can look at the engagement, right? If you look on the side here, you see all these comments coming in from this avatar, but let me play a few just so you can see it. Right, so I'm playing it, you're not gonna hear the sound, right? I'll show you that a little bit later, right? The sound. But these videos, they look hyper realistic. And most importantly, they get engagement, right? You can see here, and move myself from here, but they get comments, right? Let me go look at another one. Look at this. Comments, right? No comments there, but comments there, right? All these people are engaging, right? This profile is getting views, right? It's getting sales, right? Most importantly, right? So I just want to show you guys an example of one of these AI avatars and the power that they hold. So I want you to imagine yourself having your own AI avatar that you're able to put in a few prompts, get these videos made, and then you post it onto TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, pretty much anywhere, right? And these videos are gonna bring in views and bring in sales for you, right? Automatically, so you don't have to get in front of the camera. You don't have to worry about editing a bunch of photos, running ads, even though we like running ads. That's a good way to market as well. But this unlocks so many different income streams as well for you, right? Of course, you get paid when you make a digital product sale. That's one. But two, once you hit 10,000 followers on TikTok, you get invited to the creators program. So now you're gonna get paid per each view. So every video that you put out, you're gonna get paid, right? And then another thing is YouTube. YouTube has the YouTube Partners program where when you hit 500 subscribers and you hit a certain amount of views, your videos get monetized as well, right? So you have 3 income streams right there, without mentioning the other ones. Like Facebook has a program that pays, Instagram has a program that pays, even X has a program that pays, right? And on top of that, your avatar can be used to create courses, video courses that you can sell for $99, $200, $500, right? Doesn't matter, right? So there's so much things you can do with these AI avatars. So it's really duplicating yourself and having somebody to be the spokesperson for your business. Okay, so let me show you guys some results because I know you guys like to see some results, right? That is very motivating. So let me go ahead and pull up some results real quick. Here in the last 7 days, this store, right? This digital product store did over $1,100 in the last 7 days. Let's look at the last 90 days, right? Because I want you guys to think in like a 90 days increments, right? So today of shooting this video is December 7th, right? I want to go back to October 9th. Then I want to go ahead and put in December 9th here, just so we see the volume, right, that was generated in the last 90 days. So over $10,000, right, was generated in the last 90 days using these AI avatars, right? So I just want to show you the results real quick so you know, so we're on the same page, all right? Cool. And also another platform, we're running this AI avatars, and in the last 90 days, over $5,900 in sales. Not as quite as good as the other one, but keep in mind, guys, these things run passive for us. We have an entire automated system that allows us to do this, right? To where we drive traffic, to where we create these AI avatars, they create content for us, right? And then from there, they're out there getting views for us, and most importantly, traffic to our website and then sales, right? So cool. All right. So I also want to show you also a new thing that we've been, well, I won't say new, but it's something that we're introducing to the community here soon, and that is video sales letters. So let me show you an example of a video sales letter, and as well how we use AI avatars, right, to create these sales videos. So I'm not gonna play the whole thing, but this is like a 3-4 minute video, right?
No dredging up the
that
past.
is gonna go ahead
When I use my
and
first
do the
tactic, a
selling
simple one
and
about changing how
telling for you. So instead of sending somebody to a sales page with all the text on it, which it still works, you know, those pages still works. But as well, there's people that like reading text and there's people that like reading videos. And we found that videos convert a little bit better than the sales pages with all the text on it, right? So we're actually using these AI avatars to create these
it shifted the energy in our home
video
within
sales
minutes.
letters. And it's
By month
easier
3, the
than
walls
ever. And the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because back then, I didn't believe that a newbie, right, or somebody new coming in could do this on their own, right? But now we're in December 9th, 2025, going to 2026. Now it's easier than ever to create these video sales letters and get even better conversions, right? Selling your digital products. And you see here, we have a video sales letter, and if you scroll down, it pops up, you know, with the button to buy, some testimonials looking real nice, right? So if I click here, it will take us to the checkout page where you can go ahead and check out. But yeah, that's pretty much what we're doing with these AI avatars. And we're able to create content, and we're able to create, you know, video sales letter, and we're able to create courses, right? Video courses that we can sell at a premium. All right, so let's go ahead and dive into actually creating our AI avatar, right? So it's simple, guys. The tool that we use for this is Gemini, you know, Google's AI. And all I did was go to Gemini and I put in, hey, create a close-up shot of a woman speaking on a couch. And boom, it went ahead and did me this, right? And look, this is my first try. Of course, I can go ahead and refine it and tell it to change the clothes, change the couch, change things here and there, right? I even said, give it to me in this image format, which I wanted it in. And it gave it to me, right? Easily. So it was just me just telling the AI what to do. So once I have that image, now we have to find viral content, right? That's an important piece of this. Of course, we can go to Gemini or ChatGPT or any of these AI softwares. We can upload our digital product and say, hey, create me scripts based on the information in these PDFs. And that works really well. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and show you how to find viral content, right? So let's just say, right, my niche, I mean, I already put an example here, but let's say my niche is potty training, right? I'm gonna just do an example real quick. Potty training. Right? I'm gonna go to TikTok and I'm gonna go to the search, right, on TikTok. And let me make sure you guys can see that real quick, because I know you guys can't see that. But I'm gonna go to the search on TikTok right here, right? And I'm gonna put in potty training. And what's gonna happen is a bunch of different videos are gonna pop up, right? Viral videos that are gonna pop up talking about potty training, right? So this lets me know that I wanna go ahead and model these videos, because these videos have a high chance of going viral for myself, right? So I'm gonna take the first video just for example purposes, right? I take this video right here, right? I just copy the link right here. Then I'm gonna go to a website called TalkScript, right? It's called TalkScript. Let me make sure you guys can see that real quick. All right, TalkScript. It's a great tool, man. This tool is amazing. All I gotta do is paste in my link in here, click download, and it's gonna give me the script, right? So I'll take that script, I'm gonna go to Gemini, I'm gonna open up a Gemini chat, and I'm gonna say, hey, turn this script into an 8-second script and just deliver the value pieces, right? I just want the value, right? So it's gonna go ahead and condense, you know, this script into 8 seconds. And the reason why we want to 8 seconds is because I'm gonna show you right now why we want it at 8 seconds here when we start creating the video, right? So it gave me a script, which I'm gonna take, right? I'm gonna copy, right? Copy this. Now next, we're gonna go into an AI video generator, right? For this, we're using an AI video generator called, let me show you real quick. Hold on, let me pull it up. Called Galaxy.ai, right? It's by far the cheapest and the best tool for creating AI generated content, right? As far as like videos, I mean, they have a whole bunch of different tools in there that I'm not gonna discuss right now, but it's worth it, guys. We scour the internet for the best tools and for the cheapest, right? Because when we're generating videos, they actually want you to buy credits, right? And credits, they don't cost that much. It's very cheap to generate these videos. It's like less than $1 or, you know, per video or something like that, right? It's worth it. It's worth it. So what I did here was I went to the AI video generator. I clicked image to video, and in here for the model, I pick VO 3.1 fast, right? So once I'm done with that, I uploaded my image, the one that we generated with Gemini, right? I put in my script and I put she says, right? Potty training 2 days, dish diapers, stay at home, and set a 15-minute timer. Cool. Use candy rewards. Here's a night hack. Put underwear under the diaper. Of course, you can tweak this script to make it flow a little better, but just for example purposes, I want to show you how this works, right? So cool, look at this. Now the aspect ratio, I want to make sure I keep it in 9:16 and not 16:19. I want 9:16 because 9:16 is the TikTok or Reel format, right? 720 HD is fine. I'm gonna click generate video, right? And then boom, it went ahead and generated the video for me. So let me go ahead and play this, right? So you guys can see, what it sounds like.
Potty train in 2 days. Ditch diapers, stay home, and set 15-minute timers. Use candy rewards. Night hack. Put underwear under the diaper so they feel the wetness.
All right, cool. So let me go ahead and do it again so make sure you guys can hear that.
Potty train in 2 days. Ditch diapers, stay home, and set 15-minute timers. Use candy rewards. Night hack. Put underwear under the diaper so they feel the wetness.
See? Amazing, guys. We did that with just a few prompts, right? So that's the power of AI. So what I can do now is I can just go ahead and download this video, right? Download it, right? It's gonna download to my desktop or to my phone or wherever you're editing it. Now I can go to my TikTok profile, upload it, use the editor in TikTok to add some captions, right? Maybe had a headline on top, and I'm done, right? And now it's all about rinsing and repeating, right? That's it. It's really that simple, guys. It's really, really that simple to do this, right? So cool. So now you have the action plan. I want you to go ahead and generate your AI, right? Your AI avatar. Use that AI avatar, find your viral script, right? And then once you find your viral script, I want you to go ahead and generate the video and just rinse and repeat, right? And these videos are gonna be 8 seconds, guys, right? 8 seconds. You can go ahead and do longer videos and do like several 8-second clips, right? Because now the AI is limited to just 8 seconds. But you can do several AI clips and edit them together, but really starting out is not necessary. The most important thing when starting a new account on TikTok or any of these platforms is just volume, right? Value plus volume. So just roll with 8 seconds. That's what I recommend, right? Get your account built up, right? And then from there, you can start experimenting. When you start making sales, you're able to reinvest back in your business. You can get an editor to help you out. You can get a team, to help you, implement these strategies. But for now, I recommend to do it. Okay, so I know there's people out there that are watching this video and say, hey, Trav, this is great. This is awesome. But really, I don't have the time. I don't have the patience to implement this. You make it look so easy. I get it, right? So that's why myself and my agency, we developed a package called the AI Avatar Growth Package, right? So what we're doing is we're gonna go ahead and build this out for you, right? So that you have to lift a finger. So we'll go ahead and build out your accounts that grow fast. You can post daily without filming yourself, sell digital product with AI Avatar. So look, this is what is included, guys, right? You get your digital twin, right? We can create a twin of you, right? Or we can just create a brand new avatar, right? Duplicating your efforts, right? Then from there, we're gonna go ahead and create 90 pieces of content. Actually, we're gonna do 270 pieces of content. 90 are original, but what we do is we edit them, right? And then we add different captions and headlines just to test and see which one's gonna do the best. So we give you 270 pieces of content. It allows you to post 3 times a day over the next 90 days, right? Doing that, you're almost guaranteed to go viral, right? At least your account's gonna blow up. You're gonna get a lot of traffic. You're gonna get sales, right? You're gonna get some motion going through in your account, right? But this is gonna help you really jumpstart, your content as well as your sales, right? Like I said, this is the same system that we use within our business to generate the sales that we generate, right? Like I said, it's designed to pull views, build an audience, and make sales. This is what we're doing. This is why we're doing it. And on top of that, you get our entire social growth system, right? And we'll actually build you your complete system, your product system, right? So if you do have a product already built out, we'll go in there and make sure that it's set up correctly with the proper, VSLs, the upsells, order bumps, things that make your average order value go up and in turn make you more money. So you get a complete system done for you. You don't have to lift a single finger, right? So we're gonna do that for you. Create the VSL like I showed you here a bit earlier, where we had the little VSL here.
Between us,
right? on here, and that's gonna go ahead and increase your conversion. So the price, guys, we're only charging $2,997 one-time fee to get this done. So as you can tell, with the sales they're able to generate, the value that we're doing, and on top of that, all the income streams that you unlock by having this AI avatar, you can see why this is a no-brainer investment. So look, if you're interested in this, go ahead and comment below DFY. Comment DFY, and I'll go ahead and send you a message. If you're watching this in my school group, great, I'll send you a message. If you're watching it on YouTube, go ahead and comment DFY, right? And I'll go ahead and put my contact information right below the description of this video so you can reach out to me and get more information when it comes to these this done for you setup with the AI avatars. That's it for now, guys. I'll see you in the next video.